So here is the first part of my new flooring. You know what? It's so stinking easy. It's this peel and stick stuff that I had. Like legit. Here is the board. It bends even. I just take off the sticky stuff and I just put it in. It's so slick. Except I gotta use two hands to be able to do this. So I gotta put you on pause for a minute. Okay, so here I've got my flooring is almost done. I've just got a few more little cuts to make here, but not too shabby. See my legs dip down there? See, it goes. I can't fix that right now. That's a job for someone else because I think I'd have to take out the whole cupboard. But anyway, I'm going to finish this up and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay. All right, so here is my new floor under my kitchen sink. And clearly, El Gato really likes it because he's already found his new hiding place. At least he thinks he has. He actually tried to get through that tiny little hole right there. Thought he was going to do that, but you can see that probably won't work. So he's curious, little Mr. Kitty, but we'll have to get him out because I'm going to start on the sink now. He thinks he sees something up there, so we shall see. But yeah, my new floor. Yay. Okay. Okay, so here we go. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to first starting off with, here's my new faucet. Here it is. It's just a single faucet. All of the hoses are complete. There's the face plate that goes on it and some other deals to like tighten it up. The instructions are right there. I've got my toolbox, and yes, this is my toolbox. It is not my husband's toolbox. And so to start off with, I'm going to turn off the water first. So I've got my hot and my cold on right now. And under here, there are some knobs. See, there's a knob. This is my hot water knob. So I'm just going to, let's see if I can get this here. Turn it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, but it's not. Let me turn. Let's try this cold water one here. Oh, that one's tough too. Oh, here, that one's turning. All right, the cold water is off. Yep, let's try the hot water here now. Gosh, that one's tough. I'm gonna turn this off quick and try it. All right, so I could not get this valve to shut off. So I just went downstairs and I shut off the whole water supply. So now my sink is not running. My hot and my cold water is off. Now what I'm going to do is I need to take my, I need to get these nuts off here. So I'm going to use my crescent or my wrench, whatever this is called. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. That's not it. Shoot. There we go. Try it again a little bit more. I should just be able to loosen it. more tries with this. There we go. Come on. There we go. That should work. It's kind of corroded in here. Looks like. All right, I'm gonna get these bolts off. Oh, that's good. Come on, good. All right, I'll get them off and then I'll come back. Okay, so I got these ready to come off here. Let's see. I've got a towel here just in case to get any extra water. Oh, how am I supposed to get this little buddy off? Oh, there we go. Ah, la la la. Okay, good. Got that. Nice. That's done. Lucky I had my towel down here. All right, let's get this other one here. This is the cold water side now. All right. And just pull it off there. Cool. All right. Nice. So now I've got that undone. Now, what I also have to do is I have to get up under here. And there's a little screw-a-bobber right up there. That's the right side of the faucet. This is the left side of the faucet. So I'm going to have to get those off as well. They're going to be a little trickier. Those are the faucet pieces, or the handles. So I got to figure out how to do that. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I was able to get those two hoses out. This was connected to the faucets. Clean up my water here a little bit. Should just open this up so that in case any more comes down. There. So these were connected to the faucet up on top. The water came through here. God, they're gross. All right, so now I don't think that my this faucet is attached to anything else now. So I'm going to see if I can try and kind of pry this puppy off. I'm going to grab some tools and see what I can do here. All right, bye. All right, so kind of stuck here. I'll show you what I mean. So this is where my faucet is. The handles, right here. This is the hot, that's the cold. But there are these plastic threads on there that must be glued to the bottom of my sink. So I am not able to get those plastic pieces I can't screw them off. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do to be able to get those unscrewed. What do I use to get those little suckers unscrewed? I'm at a loss right now, so I'm going to have to stop this video, do some research, and get back to you all in a little bit. Okay, bye.